Wow, this is such a wonderful, incredible, and kind of unbelievable moment for me to be here personally after 17 years of working with the library to stand on this rooftop of this new Sager Science Center. And I want to just, I'm going to be your MC for the proceedings for the inauguration, and I just want to give you a little bit of an overview of the plan. We're going to have a lighting of the butter lamp and some chanting. We're going to have a talk by Honourable Gelek Yuthok. Of course, we'll have a talk by our special guest from the Kalon from the Department of Religion and Culture, Karma Gelek. And following that, we'll have a talk by our longtime friend, supporter, guide, Bobby Sager. Following that, we'll have a thank you speech from the secretary of the library. And last and not least, we'll have some cultural performances, some Tibetan songs. And if any of you want to throw your hat in the ring and want to sing a song, just let me know. There's plenty of space on the paper. So, but you will be, meeting lunchtime. So we'll see how it goes. But first, I'd like to invite the Honourable Kalon from the Department of Religion and Culture, Karma Gelek, to light the ceremonial butter lamp. It's a great pleasure to invite my friend and many of your bosses, the Honourable Gelek Yuthok, the Director of the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives, to provide a short talk and some remarks about the new Science Center.
직동 굽적 고군에 전에 공박하게 나올라 세리 레히 다면들다 잡조나게 보비세거 겸상 아니 단지 공도 쉬어나시 로축숨 사스 지링라 세네기 레히데 야고 중에 체도 아니 라고체게 Dr. Bryce Johnson 다가나시게 드링 안줘야 마딜 흔도 찍라 투와 리퍼블릭 네 페베 Deputy Education Minister Moranjit da Morange Sanda and Moran da Moran San Tiche and a Kalmung the Yamship Chigaya Pumuchik and Tahanashin Gang of the City Gigini that the Doshim Belabkin City Gigini any Penzuki Leji Surva Tahanashin Penzu Leji any Madrid Lundu Chigla Gundekane Gombaka Damini Pebe Gindiba Kalakatam Jiche and Nabasangma Yosadela. Anything Sirigi, Tapuji Pinzu Kangi, Sirig Dene Sarvadi, Uji Shegi, Kokov Chunga, Pemasi Gauchung, and other two Chitan Test Chigmar Chivachaza in Zange Mangus Keshueme, in a Ningdu Regishuna, and a Jamgurum Chengi, Lapchinji Gunki, Tada, Majusim Tamjet and Rochil Pembeki, Gunki Janjan Chigre, to the Sangmang Chig the Nigi, Shutwe Mendude. In a Benzo Khan, Latangus, never you digging Chitan Pepe Chodan Rishum, sungjob cheye dang ene tingdu de chambe gonde kha ge nang lo la seri labe ene tuchi standa chulu la maden be sangju pe tende ge da lehi labje mangbo shiu je yore dozo mangbo ji nang la penju khang ge da nyamshu chene lega lo mangbo che ge kokab ra de wadil ane thering ge kokab de lene chi da gasur changme du la chi shue chi dang ene mangbo la mithu ne ngazu lehi dozo ke chim yim ba ha go be thone ene karso go da shuk ja go ye chi ngazu sangme ge lenge cha de yore se ji shue yi 인지 기 담배 찍 나올라 미 미세 생긴데 간데지 깨 오르세나 애니 자샤 찍이 토네 소수기 미세데 조와 이나야 소수기 미세 라스 찍이 데투비에 그 자샤 찍 샤투나 애니 규링부 데기다 미세 데버러지 차그레스 수수 시와다 냠도 레가 상마다 자샤 찍가 매와지 조나 애니 메시지 전다 시라 중요 말에서 인지 담배지 요래 제가 잠고름 제 공시 다 차글레 낭당 상매 나라 레시직 삼네 딩에 두술 살고 요싱에 디 말에 잠고름 제 딩아 다 로망고 샵지 고고라와 인자 딩에 두술 두만도 계자 말다스 미랍네 데고에 지단 잠블링게 미치를 팽고에 지 레가레다스네 공시 딘낭게 요자 공시 데데 튠바 아니 가족에 단다 세릭다 나주 숭레 글로니르 제네 로바 미치기 루심 대단하다 펜버 드베직다 미규 갑도 휴는 디차가 요래 마도기 디멤베게 가도 세릭 자네 지근두바 세릭 케바 휴직 세릭 첼레바 소에 미규 소보 디케 마레 알와 다가나신게 디 야랍 상주 줄룩을 마데베 상주 베고레 세두야 낭주 나게 네수디 만당네 애니 현다직네 장고레 계승구 요 마레 레디 이나야 가도 삼레직 톰부 지히네 ngoने मिल फेंगे कि लालें तार थुवे दे मांगबो चिक ठेका तार मतुबा इंजा एने को मजु पेपे कि तंबे नाय नालो लाया मी चुलु लेक्चिन लायु दुबा था मेरिन सलाबरे को चुलु ल मादे बे संजो सिगियो न द चिदां संजो सिगियो न द तुसु या लालें याबो चि तार थुना शुमा थादो नाजु कि हिस सुंग न या दोए एने तिंदि हिस सुगिए थया एने ngoma ने चिक न सुंग योरसे लोंग थाया सा मयबा रांगी ngotong ge nyamnyong da raba 미사메 그 투몽게 냠뇽다 세리기 녀샤와다 덴돈 두서 시르샤네 베이지 숭도단 로와 미찔라 피우직 펜 요데겐지 차데도 에 간조 상메게 다 디톤달 믹시 슈시부직 잡고 차고 요래 간선나 질 간조 상메게 상주비에 생이로다 참든 소에도 간조 랭게 차고 요래 학보도 잠고로 무징겠다 간조 페퍼스 차샤와나 잠고로 무징게 진주 나라속에 다 라마 덴데 인도다 간조게 슈직 맞잡나 근데 자네 만디고 차르고 요르와 너 텐데 인도 간조 그때 드링기 되수데 딩에 다 텐수라지 휴네 베나 센딩라지 장교요나 코 얌센젠라지 체네 지당 록달런도에 장연라고지 기무토도라지 체데나 시다라 퉁디 퉁 마레 대지도 디 장네 갈 카르락송다 로지 서로 카르락도 그러봐 낭주토네 캠페체 딩냠도 단 도나 칸데스 도고도 텐데 지 미규 텐데 지키네 체도나 에네 펜도 용거레 삼고도 다 텐데 제마도나 에네 군 직대 자와생이 가르치나도 스탄 도데시 그러봐 도데 그래데 에네 펜도시다 메딩이 차디도 어떤데 많이 바지 제네 에네 간도 탄다 다 세릭 때네 칸데 쪼네 고 미규라고 지당 다 세릭 롭정 장이래데 이나 표지 벤조 칸게 랭겐 소오데 세릭 마레 갑도 휴나 양 가시 로도 용거래데 소오데 표지 쳐다 리흉 냐리래 제자 표도 쳐다 리흉 페페 쳐다 리흉 냐리세데 ngama khariyo 디직보 냐르네 데 마레 땡상가 잡을링게 시작 가리요나 두소 낭덴세네 두소 베베케다 리슈나라 추 고바디지 술렙트바체네 두세바이나 에네 베베케이든 잡을링게 딩자나라 렙트베 텐데 인자 세릭 때네 칸 디주네 리시치에 두소야 베베초다 리슈 숭조체레 슈체르 로그레생아디 이시 침보간이 시기요 마도게 양가시게디 베베초다 리슈 냐르겐지 세릭 휴시에 가리나 세로 따지나 록도라 타요 말 까투에 요 말데 이나야 고디 지 테스트에서 지해고에 계신 부차도 와 빼나 단다 받은 아주 교르하고 두선나로이나 또 베베기 뭐마 깨나를 이기나를 메데게 또 깨나를 메데게 망부 쉬우지 타니 망부 쉬우지 서로 쇠네 또 베베기 깨데 또 축도에다 잠블링 등장을 랩트에 된데 차도요래 띵아도 벤조칸 찍부 기시트에 지금 말해도 땅아도 상매게 미규데 어떤데 지 심고 유드 아니 가도 단다 세리칸 때네 데쪽네 아니 가도 다 림베 세리 케바카네 딱 칼롬나 샤조다 에네치 뎀도연다 두스릭데 땅아도 팅두기 tuje게 탑람 나라 샤네 아니 잠불링게 초다 가바니 이나 바바스게 수기 녀나 녀투에지 레베 소투에 이제 메직 무슨 진짜지 소니 장고에 제 디메나 장에 맹에서로 근데 많이 버체는다 미규직 디요레 내가 나신게 지단게 세리기 시제지 찹침보리 주라식sem부 히브도웨 장에 타스요 말 망고 장게 요레데 이나가도 투버직라 답에나 가랑게 섬주라오지나 투버직라 나도 망소 나로라 토된 제당 마시네 칼라사다 마디 토된 제당 마디네 다가스 미 네바샤도 히로에 망고 요레 두줄라 페나 타마라지나 타마처럼 테는 년가 딘데 두아 띵아도 히그메다 데 로니나 처럼 시다스 로 딘데 교연 야도가시 두스 딘데 서르버직 땡네 두스 제트나 아니 망고직을 탈레팀에 펜토 그랬습니다 딘데 제 체기라지 요레 어 딘데 지도다 이게 망고 히 무거지 드링네 가지고 세리기 때문에 칸데다 무슨 운지 제트에 빼마세 가워중 아니 고급 디심네 다 딘데 세리기 때문에 칸데 잡이라다 미 망고 히우지기 로 망고 레가체네 칼리 잡딩에 상원 투지시 휴에다 그러와 저 빈조 칸기 레지 두서레 티메베 닝제 꿀류냠 정도 저게 딱 칼리 히우잡네 셰디기 요레 라체티기 요시기 제 케마레 칼리 잡 디부레라와 제도 칸라 간점 기타 튠젠라 빠가 칸라 간점 야부 총소 사마레지 샤디기도 다 이네 디조 상마 용예데 다 나란 속에 튠젠 칸라 간점 자르도 쪼보쪼보 튠젠 자르기 코랑기 난기 요레 텐데 인자다 코랑 텐데 락버드 된 코랑기다 낭미 상마 랩투 빼 가보죠 아니 고급 대송네 두지시 슈에이. So Bobby, I said something in Tibetan which is very long. I'm not going to translate it, but you understood it. I know because you have been with us for so long. But what I really want to, or I was saying, was what we are doing with your support and with support of many other people. What we are doing is to get that best knowledge from Buddhism, from science, or elsewhere, so that how can we together contribute to the physical health and mental health of everybody. We are not talking about afterlife, we are not talking about enlightenment, we are not talking about nirvana, we are talking about how can we improve the health of the body and the mind of the people. So that is our target. So I am not going to talk too much about it. And I was saying that we are able to do many of these things because of the support of you and your family. Constant support. It was from 1999 onwards. When Bobby Sagar first met His Holiness, he wanted to help His Holiness, support His Holiness. And he said, His Holiness, how can I help you? And His Holiness, without thinking, he said, science. And since then, 1999 up to now, so he's really like unflinching support. And because of that, I mean, I wish we have time to like calculate all the things that we have achieved, you know. So really, we have achieved so much. And much of this achievement is mental achievement. Unfortunately, we cannot operate the mind and show that out. But otherwise, there's a lot of achievement because it is primarily in terms of our internal knowledge. So as always, I seize this opportunity to express my deep felt appreciation and thank to all of you, your family. And I'm glad that you made it. Because Bobby is so busy and he can't take his family everywhere, you know. But this time I was so happy that you're all here. And likewise, we have some guests here also from Tuva Republic, Kalmuk Republic, and things like that. So I'm here just to say thank you.
Thank you, Geshe Laktola. I'm now really happy to invite our special guest, the Honourable Kalun of the Department of Religion and Culture, Karma Gelek.
Daga Jego di tola pebe na kemne gendun gide daga na shin dringi kunrung zo da lecha di gi jinda ene kushap Bobby Sagar da khurangi kimza kugo namba xianyang dan data kunrung namba ene benzo kan genjing gi ube leje namba 상말로라 토마디 트레디 제고디 토랑라 자토바 가부총 셰잔디 삼리타시들레 슈야다 라와도 벤저 칸다 진다 니가 로라 다리 레자디 렉루 총발라 베마시비 야부총 샤스네 네 가수다 네 투지 체스네 냠도 슈구여 당에 게자 간요뇨지 제비나 디기 레자디 다진겐진기 초네 송문한 신레 진호 공시 경부 전부 초기 지게 가르소레다 도끼에다 가공직다 대화식무치 차대요래 디가레스나 댕랍기 체리다 남바 상계바기 따룹스네멘도 추루스네멘도 디 냠도 송레기 토네 이니 지 셰연다 상주 된데 잠마인바 잠불링 지용기 디기다 직tunzula rewa chenbu chabaki gongba chenbu yobaji do cheche chadeyoре cheza digi leja dinde chigi thola ne dare di ta dezen rabuji surdu chenbu ji do cheche de dharamsala la train to bati shiraki ta ngakjo yobata nganzu gawa gomgo bachi re ta tanda ke chesho di namju takpari shi kabachi ne thonde ya da shude goya chi khardu sena Jango rumbuche kata gongpa res labje lamsang anzu chikdwa leshi tsam shayada shira mangbudu. Ine kanda kang tsam shaba tiki ta kalo gondongi nyingbu tiki rugu yo me. Shinda me ne chashe tsamji ti lamne yungu yo me. Ti thola nga ranzu tuna da ke chenpu nangoya di shivu chik ke chenpu resha. Cheza di lab yundi penna tanda ta tsenri da nangpa sanje bagi. Ta rupdi sungre chiya di kol she yundi ngā tāngu tā pēnchū nyingi chīgi yāgu chī shētō gugu yore nāngpa sāngyē bāgi chūlū jēnrāng bāda tā rūp kēpa tunzu ki nubjō cēnrī bāgi nētāng tī yāgu chī kēng gugu yore tāgā nāshī nubjō cēnrī ki nāngpa sāngyē bāgi chē tā rūp la tōnā yungiān tunzu ki tī kō tī Khurāṋ zū ki tōne tsū chī yāgu chī kēng gugu yore tāngu chīgi chī kēng ane tēne ñamdō ne tu jelen da cheche ene nyamdo chale na ya dige yungu yore ene sungdu dreya dinde shine yungu yore wa 제가 ngarange ma jik chenri da ta nabo sanje be ki shojo lomye chimbuji che nyongbe gyumjeng to ne shuwe ina pena tanda nganzo nangbe taru kenso gi chenri lpa lobjong nangdang da sigbu kabla chenri chu gari shegu do ti khora la ngaranzo luksu che je lamsang chenyi da rigbaden de tang de na chenri gi rodang da thonda de to thugu mare chenri ba khoranzo rangi rubjeda takjeda any sik chöship tinde khande chi gyuje thamade tembeda tenkeba chi sugudu ta dichi yulongo ya chi re ta ine tande chala cheri ngal ta chi ta khatu shusha bina nobjo cheri ba yudi ta chingobo zamjigla ga deba sobda chi yore ine chingobo nelu tige zamji koranjun rulu rodan thone yago 현재 라레타비 gyumzengi ta tingsan zambuling de khanreji chade yara ngana samelo kenseji indu zamba chingobu samina yang digi chi nuba de samgi mekaba chi yoba de senri betona yabu chi trupde yara ba deji re o tunjo tola chikche ene daga nashi nubjo senri bada tunjo to ne dangdang ta so gyamgo rumbuchi rangi tukge da kari nya chi tenche ne nyenra chengi senri keba mangbu shibuji tingsan 다 낭배게 체리다 낭배 따르든지 톨수 14부 제제 투나나야지 차대열에 제가 고란주 당부 제뒤에 체리바게 딱제 제단다 체리바게 남규 유 친구베 돌 체리바게 딱제 제단 디짱짱 지키 용제 특힌다 마선에 디짱짱 지키 용제 이 낭배게 샘게 내장든지 간데 지기도 슬라베이나 배지 뒤 남이야 또 두고 말해 삼기도 제가 디인디 샘생겐 디나로 칼리 밥투브 제제네 에네 남바 상제베기 그 직샘게 남샤디 코라랑 당보다 지 가르서 그래 리발라 소바다 리글람로 소바 지 응어도 제발 소바 든저 토네 간데지 템베 지기 요메 어디게 디 롭트 캠베 토네 이니 제베이나 단데 체리기 유디 칭오볼레 야 파제네 야체르 친제 에네 나샘기 내든 토는 유튜브야기 다 컴로 나서 당부 잡사요레 니 니바 숨바 잡토야기 레와시부지 여디 점바 tun저 토라 디 알람즈 투난 친구 난고레 만도지기 참자딘데 촌들의 초 레시르베 에네 체리다 남발랍체제 된 토라 고도시라면게 진로되나 에네 방부시부지 차야니가 여자 대투난 난고야지도스 에네 락바도 정고rum부지 공시라 체리다 남베기 딩이니 냠도 중베이나 단다 dajing kong rob shub na shin re shen yun jaje droya da mi kunjo jaje droya chigo mayin ba zambu ling chi yong ki shide la ta pendo labu cheji rup tu bachik ta phukyang ringbu si thu yo re tunzo khandre re sha khandre yongsa re lab je ne nganzo chi karso re komba chi chingi chi le mene potup tab na ya de re ti ton le shewi na tan da cheri chi go mandang ba ge gyumzen di tengsang da cheri yarge khandre ji chimbe yene makru la sok ba da thakje la sok ba da mi dungya la sok ba da shidi lingja me ba la sok ba ti ge ti ta ngar da manda wa chi cha de yor ba ta ti gi tablam da ma shinjam chedan di yona mena chik di tablam shemba da chuju shemba la sok ba mangu ten ten yor de ngaran zu le gyu yo dengen di nang ba sangge ba gi ta rup da 다둠네 손샤보다 디 실람 제송 그 남샤 던저 토네 디게 디 땡땡 거랄 팬도 첨부 투비하지 열에 제자 던저 토라 생리버기 다고 잡제 지 다고서 그러베 지 고도 여부 토네 파 침부이나 땡땡랑 잠린지 디기라 디 팬도 제토버지 지구유디네 디게 디 언저 딱 개춘주 말에 개 지부지 첨부레스 디 쉬야지긴 다 신다디 릉고슈나 다다 되게 말에 타마데 제자 딘데기 지 내도 개침부지기 토라 벤저 칸네 발람지네 다디 투구르 체게 나한테네 레시 첨부된데 차다 나야다 미통랑 신용야 그 좀정원 도야 디게 오늘 닝 타고네 ngakjeda tuje che shuai de chapji darinda kushap segal nangmi gu chombe di thola rongon chige changma lola ene me karsore tan je yu churi legonda ene phemi tikzu chi chap shu je ne ning thakwane tuje gari lame du chesne tinde chi shunde chu. Although I think Venerable Lakdo has already translated what I had been saying. So meanwhile, on behalf of the Department of Religion and Culture and on behalf of the Central Tibetan Administration as a whole, we would like to firstly congratulate the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives and those who supported it in this project, like yourself and your family. So I would like to heartily congratulate and at the same time would like to wholeheartedly thank you all for that support. I was trying to say that His Holiness the Dalai Lama's vision in this regard is wide and deep, so we should not go after the superficial and physical level things. Instead, we should try to achieve something what he really wanted through his vision. So in that regard, the modern science trying to understand the essence of the Buddhist teachings and the Buddhist science, and from the other side, from our Buddhist philosophers and Buddhist scholars and Buddhist students, they try to understand how the modern science search, research, and through experiment try to establish various things. So it's, although both are going after the evidence and proof, but then because of the difference in the object of their examination of the research, there's a huge difference. So for this material world, I think the way the science has been pursuing all these years and all these centuries, I should say, had been a long way and had been very successful. So that clearly says that for the material things, the scientific way of understanding and knowing things was unquestionable, and we should accept and go. I should say we should accept and learn from it. Now, from the modern scientists' side, if they try to understand the mind, consciousness, or spirit, whatever you say, try to understand them purely from their own experimental scientific way, then that may not work. So instead, in the field of the mind and the consciousness, how the Buddhist masters and how the Buddhist science have tried to tackle those things, I think initially mainly through the logical reasoning, and then finally through thinking, meditating, and through personal experience, they'll be able to almost see like material things. So that means these two great traditions needs first to understand each other and then cooperate, and ultimately it will go a long way in the well-being of the whole humanity, because still we see there's a lot of suffering and a lot of problems all over the world despite all these great developments and progress in the science. So that means something is lacking elsewhere. That is no other than the what we call this mind and human beings. So when we are able to understand the nature and the systems of the mind, and especially in tackling about these emotional things, definitely all these problems can be solved, no matter how long it will take. But there is a way there. So the scientists and the Buddhist masters, and of course I think the other masters of the other religions also, if they do the same way, so we can do a very important and huge thing together in the well-being of the humanity of our century. So that means our efforts will not go into waste. So let's pray that it will succeed, and may our efforts here make some contributions towards that end. So that will be my wish and prayer. Thank you very much again.
Thank you, Karma Gelek Yuthok. It's a great pleasure now to invite Bobby Sager, our longtime friend, supporter, guide, to say a few words. Before we do, though, I'd like to just tell a little bit about my story with Bobby. I met Bobby in 2001 at Ganden Monastery. I was working with Achok Rinpoche, the previous director of the library, and we got a message saying, "Hey, where can you land a helicopter?" And Achok Rinpoche and me, we looked at each other and like, well, there's this rice field over here. Maybe that would work. And that was our first introduction to Bobby. Bobby came with his family, Shane, Tess, and Elaine. And it was the beginning of a very long-term relationship. And I think one of the lessons for me is when we started this work, we were not very confident about why we were doing it, the benefit of it, but we just kept doing it. And we kept doing it year after year. We kept meeting for workshops. We kept getting more monks involved. And slowly, we became quite confident that what we're doing has value, that it was valuable to the monks, it was valuable to the teachers. And because of that long-term, ongoing activities, support, work, something really special happens. And I think that's true with this project, but I think it's true with anything you do in your life, that if you really work hard and ongoingly commit to something, you can achieve many, many things. And so this Science Center, although it took a couple years to build, and it took some money to build it, really, you couldn't even imagine a place like this 10 years ago. It's really, I think, because of this long-term support and an unwavering commitment and this friendship from Bobby that we're able to be here today, and we're able to, I think, reach a new milestone in fulfilling His Holiness's vision. His Holiness talks about a 100-year project, so maybe we're roughly in year 17. That means we have 83 more years to go. I'll be there for some of them. And I don't think, probably not anybody in this room will be there for all of them. And so we have to think about how do we continue to work for the next generation. So it's really been a personal privilege and honor and educational experience to get to know Bobby and his family. So I'm really grateful for their support. And I'd like to invite Bobby up to give a few remarks. Let's welcome Bobby.
I'm just sitting here feeling very emotional right now. This has been a labor of love and something that His Holiness the Dalai Lama asked me to support and to help develop, and we're just coming from a meeting with His Holiness. By the way, I apologize for how late we are. Our meeting was scheduled for 20 minutes, and it lasted 1.5 hours. And the entire discussion was about the plan for the future and why His Holiness believes that this is such a very important initiative. Before I continue, I want to just say some thank yous. First to the Honourable Minister for being here and the other honourable guests. We very much appreciate your presence and your support. Geshe Lakdola is our visionary and our leader, and we are sitting here in a manifestation of his vision and his ability to actually take a vision and get things done. I'm not a scientist. I'm an entrepreneur, and so in the life of an entrepreneur, everything is about creative problem solving and figuring out how to get things done and how to make things happen, maybe with not enough resources, but you somehow work it out. And after all these years, I would say that Geshe Lakdola, he looks like a monk, but he's really an entrepreneur. Thank you for your vision and everything that you've done for this wonderful program. Also want to thank the director of the program, my good friend now for 17 years, Dr. Bryce Johnson. It's one thing to make a commitment and sort of in a theoretical way support something. Bryce, for 17, 18 years, has, we use the term walk the talk, not just, ideas and, talking and so forth, but being here in India week after week and month after month and year after year. And this program would not exist if it wasn't for Bryce's efforts. Thank you. Next, I want to thank the monks. You are really, the pioneers in this effort. Is Geshe Nimala here? No. Okay, so I wanted to thank Geshe Nima, who has been one of the really key monastics through this process. I'd like to thank Karma, who has been an incredibly important part of developing this program for so many years. And again, to the students, to the monks themselves, you made a choice that you wanted to expand beyond the monastic learning and to add. And it's very important, I think Lakdola was saying this, it's very important to understand that this program is not about somehow this is right and this is wrong and how are we going to, this is about the idea that, and my kids have heard me say this a lot, it's about taking the best of one and the best of another, and by combining those two disciplines, the two learnings, to have the math is that 1 + 1 = 3. That by bringing these two learnings together, that we have something that comes out of it that is very special, and especially something that can potentially profoundly affect the future of humankind. So thank you for being the pioneers in this program, and for helping to make the wishes of His Holiness the Dalai Lama a reality. Without dedicated students, obviously there would be no program. My last thank you is to my family. For 17 years, I have been coming to workshops and working with Bryce and others and trying to develop what we were teaching, how we were teaching it. I always use the term, when you think about trying to focus on something important, the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule that most of you probably have already heard, it's about Pareto, optimization. It says that there's a small amount of what you do or what you learn that is important out of proportion. Like, for example, 80-20. 20% of your friends are probably 80% of your real friends. 20% of the books you read is probably 80% of the knowledge that you keep. And we have had to go through this, and there are many other examples, but we've had to go through this, these 17 years, continually trying to understand what is the 20%. Science, you want to teach science. Science is a very big term, a very big field. What is it in science? And how is it that it should be taught? And how do we abide by the wishes of His Holiness the Dalai Lama? How do we fulfill his vision? And that has been a very iterative process. And it is, when His Holiness asked us to do this, the observation was made that this is the first time in the more than 1,000-year history of Tibetan Buddhism that Western science, modern science, whatever term you want to use, is being taught as part of the monastic curriculum. The first time in century upon century. And so that's a big responsibility. How do you know if you're doing it right? How do you know? And so I asked His Holiness after, 3 or 4 years of the program, Your Holiness, I'm not sure, how do we know if this is right? How do we know if we're doing the right thing and we're teaching the right things, and if we're having the right throughput? And His Holiness, I'm a businessman, and I'm used to being able to measure results and to quantify things. And His Holiness put His hand on my shoulder, kind of tapping my shoulder, and said, "Bobby, don't worry. Maybe we'll know in 100 years." In other words, chill out. Well, this is a process that that took more than 1,000 years to begin, and will take many years to to fulfill its true potential. So I think the last thing that I would say is, when we talk about potential, His Holiness has said to me many times, and has said publicly many times, that prayer is important, but what's really important is action. What's really important is whether you take what you think about in prayer and actually go into the world and make it a better place for all sentient beings. And so, as I said at the beginning, I'm not, when His Holiness asked me to help to develop this program, I thought, well, I'm not a scientist. I'm not a Buddhist. I'm Jewish. This wasn't like an obvious thing for me, but when I thought about the opportunity that it presented to in the long term to possibly have a profound effect on, not just on the intellectual, the academic, but on the actual doing, the actual making a difference in the lives of all sentient beings, that to me was a special opportunity. So thank you to Elaine and to Tess and to Shane for so many years of me being not with my family at Christmas or not with my family for other holidays because I was at one of our meetings or one of our workshops. So even though it took us 17 years to stand here in this beautiful building, this is, and by the way, in terms of this building, let me just, for people that don't understand, this is just now one of 7 science centers around India, and we're hoping that this science center provides the content, the methodology, and so forth for all of the other science centers. Because when we started to do this project, we only were teaching science for 3 weeks a year. You'd learn science for 3 weeks, 49 weeks, pretty much nothing. And then another 3 weeks and another year goes by. After a few years, we developed an interim program where we'd have a physical workshop, but then there would be study groups in between. Then a few years after that, I think maybe about 7 or 8 years ago, I forget exactly, Emory University started to teach science, the basic science. And we, as entrepreneurs, looked at it and said, okay, Emory University certainly has far greater resources to be able to do the fundamental teaching. What we should do is try to develop a program now that they can teach the basic science. Let's develop a program so that we can teach the monks and the nuns to be teachers of science, to be science leaders. And so the men and women who are part of this program will, the Science Leadership Institute that's going on right now, the expectation is that they'll go back to their science centers and lead those science centers so that 52 weeks a year there's science programming and further development. This is not about Western teachers just coming and teaching the monks and the nuns. This is about having a two-way conversation. As the Honourable Minister was saying, this is I know that one of the very important reasons that His Holiness wants us to do this is that two-way conversation and the wisdom that can come from both directions, and ultimately for us to see that 1 + 1 can truly be 3. Thank you.
Thank you, Bobby. I'd like to invite the Secretary of the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives, Noan Yeshe, for some thank you and closing remarks.
당아 될 토지나 휴고 디서마 아 빅스 모드 쉬게 매. 안 토마텔라 어디디 산데 레시디 냐마네 군디기 가고다 단에 기실라 송만한 시래 굽죽고 군내 시리 도스고 수여래. 세상 레시디 단다 군디기 공셰 당시 신내 땅 아주 가주 배전 시도지 쇼를 안 조단다 기실라 다단다 긴지 딩예기 긴지 단다 아슈르 모체제 안디네 기네 시르마 기실라페 도시 그래서 못했는데 단 그러대래. 저는 이 당고 토마텔라 나 군디기 투지까지나 제제 단다 도시 중대여래. 안 군디기 람데다 안 군디기 파수 갈수라다 안도 진다서기 솔라 카리고에 수도자마다 될 로봇이 있는데서 안 군디기 도시 제 송제 군디기 카디체 도 쉐인 당고다가 안데라 단나가서 추리가를 때다를 때조 군도서 오시나 로시시도스 나중에 막 가지신게도스 지자래 베드사바 안디 추리가를 남사디 시셔나지 간지 계정부 조 가서 계정부 내가 정부지 이제 남사 시셔나지 인다 인시제도스 갑해서 안조 단나고 버즈린 겨울에데 얘네 디간지디 벤제기 레시 단나 세리 레시디 단 군도 가건다 계정부 영어 송사 안두스 될 표되게 변제군에 참 수대 인타원 토지나 쉬다 안데지라 가지고 변제 genzi 기슬라도라레 안디나오게 가지고 믹스에기 간데 커서래 더 대화나게 더 로줍네 하시단다 닥터 브라이스 존슨 고라레 아니 고라기 이제 달로 망고시 가지고 디 가서래 디는 염도 대화 가지고 변제기 레시 믹스에기 세리는 염도 대화 요소서 고라 미 나메도 오지어리 이내래가 단도 고라 띵에라 단다 보비사에 고라 소나 실래가 그러다 버다 여 가리 토레이네 제 조저 제 샤샤시 봐도 근데 로와 지금 내가 켜내라 파수디 켜내 만하게 되래 간다 이 샤샤 러시지 나는 게 싫어 나랑 고라 염도 첨부요 아니 다 단다 소디 단디 간주기 가서 오래 한거디 진짜 데 중요할 때 이네 소디 단다다나 보브세가 코란기 낭미속으로 도선 땅데요. 저는 코란 속에 데 가서 매워라지나 다데 단다 가서 빌딩 단다데보다 좀이야다 디친 단다 제고디 소에데 단다 중에 거라 요 말에 저는 예 코란라 가서 변제 레제 상마제로 아니 가서 변제군에 가다 인타원의 토지나 수행이 아니 그래서 이마 가지신 게 아니라 당아주디 직타리 야마치야 되는 아주 세리 대세 길레제 지 가시 지어래 고란서 이제 아주데 사임 이마 뱀바 콘세레 딩예기 되고서 허 도제 콘세 이마 숨스러 콘세레 되네 코로나 상모 콘세메하고 진 야마 유체디 장막 수야다 되고 타리 제 되기 상황에 내가 야고 싫어하지 나서 오늘 콘세레 돼 아주 콘세 인서진 마데와제 소소소 이게래 저와 코르렌치 대용 장막 수야다 타리 제 되기 상황에 야고 싫어하나서 안 세네기 되지 보지 리지 많이 바시 리지 샤바데 데 피에시 당가라 건데 그 레토마스데 얘네 가시지도 랩샤 안 토시나 쉐이 안데서 다리 군조의 먼곳이 폐샤라 아니 단다 타와 요래라 좀 배정이 숨시오 요 배제디나 sabjon데 볼라 안케나 상와데 폐와시 아는 아주 제고디 다리 야보지 좀 오늘 이따시와 야보시라 중소 안케나데 당고 셴르데 시라야 오나서 다시 세고래 대야보시나 동원다 안따시와 이마시 차기도 섬서 시선 참가 용 토시나 쉐이 토시나 just a few, maybe a few words. Today, with the establishment of the Sagar Science Center, LTWA made a very big milestone in its history. So this would not be possible without the constant and unflinching support from the Bobby Sagar and your families. So I would like to thank you on behalf of the LTWA, your family. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Nong Shila. So we have two songs, one song from Pubu Namgyel and one song from Sezona from the Tubu Republic. Yeah? Oh, good. I don't know. Is it you? Oh, good. Okay, so maybe let's start with Pubu Namgyel. And I believe this will be a Tibetan song.
Dear honorable guests and dear friends, I came from Republic of Tuva, which is one of the Buddhist region of Russian Federation. And first of all, I would like to say words of thanks to Geshe Khagdorla to invite us to come to Dharamsala. And today was really wonderful and a happy day. We've met and got His Holiness blessing. And we are really happy to be here with you in this wonderful historical event, opening ceremony of this Sager Science Center. Thanks to Bobby's support, because really this really good place for young generation, I think. And I hope all Russian young Buddhists from regions of Buryatia, Kalmykia, and Tuva will come here and deeply study Buddhism and expand Buddhism in our republics. Thank you so much. And in this case, I would like song Tuvan song, which is called Mother's Birds. Azargancık biçimde avamen içedi var. İnek başı tozup iyilen çorup karbiz. Tara taran şülge tanıvazım kuşların. Ertenin ne çorurum. Eldep sinip görmen. Avam onu koyuz bas. Ayar oyup erter. Gören duru yandır. Hülzet beder çağır. Duman arjıl esten. Duru yalı şılge. Avamına kuşların erteninle üdir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We have some gifts, some presentation from gifts of some gifts from Gelek Yuthok.
Thank you.